Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to broadcast on Steam so your friends can watch you play in real time. So let's jump right in. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll access all the core configuration options for your Steam application, including the broadcast features we need to set up. In the settings window that opens, look at the left panel where you'll find various categories. Click on Broadcast. This section is dedicated to all the streaming settings that control how your gameplay is shared with others, so it's essential for getting your broadcast configured properly. Now you'll see a privacy setting with a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down menu and select Anyone can watch my game. This option determines who has permission to view your broadcast. By choosing this setting, you're making your stream publicly accessible, allowing any Steam user to tune in and watch your gameplay. If you prefer more privacy, you could select friends only, but for maximum visibility, this is the way to go. Next, navigate to Video Dimensions. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred resolution from the list. The resolution you choose directly impacts the video quality of your broadcast. Higher resolutions like 1080p will give viewers a sharper, more detailed image, but they also require more bandwidth. Choose a resolution that balances quality with your internet connection's capabilities to ensure smooth streaming without lag or buffering. After that, navigate to Show Viewers Chat in-game. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred option from the list. This feature allows you to see chat messages from viewers directly in your game overlay while you're playing. It's incredibly useful for interacting with your audience in real time, responding to questions, or just acknowledging viewers without having to tab out of your game. Now navigate to Record My Microphone. Right beside it, there's a toggle switch. If you want to include your voice commentary in the broadcast, toggle this on. This feature lets viewers hear your reactions, strategies, and any commentary you provide while playing, which makes the stream much more engaging and personal. If you prefer to stream silently, you can leave this toggled off. With all your settings configured, it's time to start broadcasting. Launch a game from Steam. If the game supports broadcasting, Steam will automatically show a notification that says Broadcast Started. This confirms that your stream is now live and being transmitted to viewers. From this point on, everything you do in the game will be visible to anyone watching your broadcast. Friends can watch your broadcast directly from your profile or from their friends list. They'll see when you're live and can join in to watch your gameplay, making it a great way to share your gaming experiences with your community. And that's it, you've successfully set up and started broadcasting on Steam, allowing others to watch your gameplay live. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.